फक्त केतना भगताचो क्लिनीक ओपनिंग अजून इनॉग्रेशन जाल्लें आसा पर्वरच्या वाठारांत. एक म्हणल्यार आय कन्वे माय बेस्ट विशीज एंड हार्टिएस्ट कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन्स टू केतना एंड सर्वेश who have been budding young entrepreneur. Sarveshan applied at a young age has set an example to a lot of people that in spite of having education, he did not go for a government job or a job. He thought of being self-employed and he created a self-business opportunity for himself. 2014 सुमार चालू केल्ली 10-12 वर्सांनी he has proved himself with expansion happening everywhere. एक बरो वेंचर चालू करून सर्वेशान आपले स्वताचे एक एक्झाम्पल तयार केलें की आयच्या युवकांनी फक्त जॉब पळयता आसतना न्ही जॉब गिवरय जावप रादर जॉब शिकत. आज ताची मिसेस केतना इज अगेन एज अ डेंटिस्ट पर्वरच्या वाठारांत वाडत आसा. सिनियर सिटीजन वाडटा, वर्किंग फॅमिलीज भरपूर जाल्ल्यो आसा आनी ताचे खातीर फॅसिलिटीज वाडप हे ह्या दिशेन म्हाका दिसता योग्य आसा. आयच्या दिसाक डेंटल क्लिनीक जे ओपन जालां will definitely serve the people of Porvorim in a right manner. She's young and she's got the aggression to get the things moving for her. I convey my best wishes to the young couple. Wish her all the best in her new venture, and I'm pretty sure in days to come, as Sarvesh has done, she will equally participate to ensure that her expansion also happens in the right manner, especially for people of Porvorim and then the rest.
Thank you.